Islands of India. Part 2. Vantivu. It is one of the 21 islands of the Gulf of Mannar located at 850 N and 70 degrees E. The islands are situated at an average distance of about 8 kilometers from the coastline. Dharmadam, Green Island. A small 2 hectares private island in the Kannur district of Kerala. 4 kilometers from the town of Thalassery. Covered with coconut palms and dense bush in a beautiful sight from the Mujapilangad beach. During low tide one can walk out to it from the beach. Earlier known as Dharmapatnam, was a Buddhist stronghold. Gundu Island. Smallest of all the islands, those constitute together the city of Kochi. Spread over 5 acres of land. Originally the home of a coir factory, it is now a resort owned by the Taj Malabar Hotel. Ezhumanthuruttu. 8 kilometers. West of Kaduthuruthi town in the district of Kottayam, Kerala. Area is about 2 sq km. Densely populated, 3,500. It is a twin island along with another small island called Pulithuruthu. Kuruvadweep. Situated 17 kilometers from Manantwadi, which is in Wayanad district, Kerala. It is a group of islands forming 950 acres of evergreen forests. Popular tourist place, famous for its scenic beauty, picturesque water bodies and exotic wildlife sanctuary. It is uninhabited, a series of 7 islands on the tributaries of Kabni River. Munro Island.
Formed at the confluence of Astamudi Kayal and Kallada River in Kerala.
25 kilometers from Kollam. Tourism, coir, fishing, coconut farming. Nedungad. A small island located in Ernakulam district of Kerala. Pulankunu. An island village in Alappuzha district of Kerala. Near the Pampa River. Part of the Kerala backwaters. The famous Rajiv Gandhi Trophy boat race is held here during the months of October-November every year. Ramanthuruthu. One of the smallest islands that make up the city of Kochi. It was the smallest polling booth in central Kerala during the 2006 state elections. It has untrackable terrain and is sparsely populated. Valyaparamba Island. Perhaps the most scenic backwater stretch in Kerala. Fed by 4 rivers and dotted with numerous little islands. Located near Kasaragod. Lush green groves of coconut and emerald green backwaters make the tour of the island a perfect treat. Just 50 kilometers from Mangalore. Vallarpadam. A small idyllic island in the Vembanad Lake, 1 kilometer north of the mainland Kochi. About 3.9 kilometers. Long, 1.5 kilometer. Wide. Between Mulavukad Island and Waipin Island. A proposed container terminal project could make this small island one of the best hub ports in the world. A major pilgrim center for Christmas, Church of Our Lady of Ransom. Venduruthi. A small island in Kochi. Now a part of Greater Willingdon Island. Approachable only from the Ernakulam backwater channel. It boasted of 2 edifices, the Roman Catholic Church of St. Peter and St. Paul. Inns Venduruthi. To defend schools, Gunnery School and the Navigation and Direction School. Willingdon, named after Lord Willingdon, the erstwhile Governor of Punjab. An artificial island created from the materials dredged while deepening the Kochi port. Home of the modern port of Kochi. It has airport, shipbuilding yard, Southern Naval Command headquarters, custom house etc. Also known as Velingatan Island. Waipin, one of the islands that makes up the urban agglomeration of Kochi. About 27 kilometers long island was formed in the year 1347 after a heavy flood. One of the heaviest dense islands in the world. Connected to Kochi by a bridge from Kalamukku. Goshti Bridge also connects Mulavukad and Vallarpadam. Narakkal is the business capital of Waipin. Netrani, also known as Murudeshwar and Pigeon Island, a tiny island. 10 nautical miles away from the temple town of Murudeshwar. Some of the best sites for scuba diving. A coral island suitable for snorkeling and diving. Comes in North Kannada district of Karnataka near Karwar. Used by the Indian Navy for target practice. Kaveri Nisalgadma. An island formed by river Kaveri in the district of Kodagu. It is a famous picnic spot. This 25-acre island has lush foliage of thick bamboo groves, sandalwood and teak trees. Just 30 kilometers from Madikeri. St. Mary's Island, also known as Coconut Island. A set of 4 small islands off the coast of Udupi in Karnataka. Formed of columnar basaltic lava. Formed when Madagascar was attached to India, 88 million years ago. Uninhabited islands. According to legend, it was first seen by Vasco da Gama on his way to Kozhikode. Uppin Kudru, known as Salt Island. Located at 6 kilometers towards north of Kundpura in Udupi district of Karnataka, a small island village, once famous for trading of salts, uppu, and for seafood. 3 temples and 8 mats. Lord Gopalal Krishna, Lord Vasudev and Siddhi Vinayak temples. Economy: agriculture, paddy, pulse. Anjadeep Island. Island off the coast of South Goa district. Legally it is part of Goa, although there is a widespread misconception that it is a part of Karnataka off whose coast it lies. 1.5 km long and 25 km wide. Known for its annual Feast of Our Lady of Springs on 2nd February and Feast of Chapel of St. Francesco di Assisi on 4th October. Kakulo, a riverine island located in the St. Inez Creek in Panji, Goa. Chorao, an island along the river Mandvi near Panji, Goa. Earlier known as Chudamani. Home of the Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary. Hindu and Christian shrines are found. Tiswadi. Tiswadi is an island with the Mandvi River forming its northern boundary. Panji is located on this island. It was here that the city of Old Goa was established, where a magnificent church of Bom Jones lies. Divar, an island on the river Mandvi in Goa. Located about 10 kilometers upstream from Panji, to which it is connected. Konkan Railway passes through it. Scenic beauty, paddy, birds and barren lands. Salsette. Site of Mumbai and Thane. Third most densely populated island in the world after Aap Lechau, Hong Kong and Malai, Maldives. Highest point 450 m in the Borivali National Park, which is the world's biggest park within city limits. Surrounded by Vasai Creek from the north and Thane Creek from east. Island city of Bombay was separated from it by Mahim Creek. 7 islands of Bombay. Isle of Bombay, Colaba, Majgao, Parel, Old Woman's Island, Little Colaba, Mahim, Thrombai, northeast suburb of Mumbai, west of Thane Creek, north of Elephanta and Butcher Islands. Site of Bark. Along with 7 islands of Bombay and Salsette, it forms Greater Mumbai. Thank you everyone. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for early updates.